At Dana, we recognise that employment boosts self-esteem and enhances well-being. It's not just about a paycheck, but about deriving meaning and purpose. It's not just about teamwork, but about social integration. And it's not just about working independently, but about attaining actual independence. That's why, for almost a decade, Dana in Brazil partners with people with moderate intellectual disabilities, such as members of our society who have Down syndrome. Each year, across our Dana Gravatai operations, we organise a 3-month training programme, which, combined with paid internships, gives our newcomers the time, resources and support to be successful. Our award-winning outreach is supported by hundreds of colleagues who volunteer annually to mentor our new hires in roles across kit assembly and packaging. Bolstered by their talents and personalities, we recognise different skills and approaches to life and champion diversity practices and team building so that social inclusion is truly nurtured. At Dana, we look deeper. At Dana, we are people finding a better way.